Hello and welcome to A to Z Info. I am Rana and I am a student of Usmania University Department of Geophysics. And today we are going to discuss some important model problems in vector topic. Let's start the video. If modulus of A bar plus B bar is equal to modulus of A bar minus B bar, then find modulus of A bar into B bar. Here given that A and B are two vectors. So and modulus of A bar plus modulus of B bar is equal to modulus of A bar minus modulus of B bar, and we need to find modulus of A bar dot B bar is equal to how much. So simply I am squaring this condition, that is modulus of A bar plus B bar whole square is equals to modulus of A bar minus B bar whole square, applying the formula of A square plus A plus B whole square, that is A bar square plus B bar square plus 2A bar B bar is equals to A bar square plus B bar square minus 2A bar B bar, and A bar square plus A bar square cancel, B bar square cancel, and minus 2A bar dot B bar comes this side, becomes 4A bar dot B bar is equals to 0, and A bar dot B bar is equals to 0. So modulus of A bar dot B bar, that is modulus of A bar dot B bar is equals to 0. Coming to the second problem, here it is given that pi is equal to x square plus y square plus z square is a scalar, then find grade pi. So given pi is equals to x square plus y square plus z square, and we need to find grade pi. Here grade pi is equals to del pi, that is gradient of pi is equals to del pi. Here del is I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z. It is the most important formula. It is called del operator. So applying the del operator, we get grade pi is equals to del pi is equals to I into dou by dou x of x square plus y square plus z square plus j into dou by dou y of x square plus y square plus z square plus k into dou by dou y of x square plus y square plus z square, that is equals to, we are derivating here partially with respect to x, that means y square and z square are constant, all other terms in terms of y and z are constant. So x square derivative we have I into x 2x plus similarly y square derivative with respect to y is 2y, that is j into 2y plus k into 2z. If you take 2 common, we get xi plus yz plus zk. It is the required solution. The next question, given that r bar is equals to xi bar plus yj plus zk, then we need to find gradient of r. Here r bar is a position vector, and we know the magnitude of r bar is, that is modulus of r bar is equal to r is equals to under root of x square plus y square plus z square. That is, so we know coordinate system, any point drawn from the origin to any point in the P, then this vector is called position vector. That is, here OP is the position vector. So this distance is r, and this total vector OP vector is equals to r bar. So here r is the magnitude and it's a scalar, it doesn't have any direction. Now, so we need to find gradient of r. We know gradient of grade r is equals to del dot r, sorry. So that is del dot r is equals to I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z of x square plus y square plus z square whole power 1 by 2. Here I am writing the square root as power of 1 by 2. Now doing the calculations, that is I into dou by dou x of x square plus y square plus z square whole power 1 by 2 plus j into dou by dou y of x square plus y square plus z square whole power 1 by 2 plus k into dou by dou z of dou by dou z of x square plus y square plus z square into power 1 by 2, that is equals to we are performing partial differentiation with respect to x, y and z. Here in the first term we get I into 1 by 2 of 2x into x square plus y square plus z square whole power minus 1 by 2. Here we are applying the formula x power n, derivative of x power n is equals to n into x power n minus 1, and here y and z are constants, so constant derivative with respect to x are 0. Similarly we can write dou by dou y of the second term as 1 by 2 into x square derivative 0, y square derivative is 2y, and total term, rewriting the total term, that is x square plus y square plus z square whole power minus 1 by 2. Similarly k into 2z into 1 by 2 into x square plus y square plus z square whole power minus 1 by 2. So 2 get cancels, so we are left with x into x square plus y square plus z square whole power minus 1 by 2 plus y into x square plus y square plus z square whole power minus 1 by 2 plus z into x square plus y square plus z square whole power minus 1 by 2, xi yj zk. So it's a position vector. If you take the term x square plus y square plus z square whole power minus 1 by 2 are as common, then we get xi plus yj plus zk, and from the question it is given that xi plus yz plus zk is r bar, that is the position vector. So we can replace those terms, and we know x square plus y square plus z square whole power minus 1 by 2 is x square plus 1 by under root of x square plus y square plus z square. It can be written as 1 by r. So this total terms become equal to r by r. If a is equals to I bar plus j bar plus k bar and b is equals to 3i bar plus 2k bar, Then find the area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram. Here given that A is equals to I bar plus J bar plus K bar, and B is equals to 3I bar plus 2K bar. A and B are the sides of a parallelogram. Here it is given in the question also. So A and B are two sides of the parallelogram, adjacent sides. So we need to find the area of the parallelogram. Here we have a direct formula. Area of the parallelogram is A is equals to modulus of A cross B. So here we have A and B. Performing the calculations, we get the area of the parallelogram. That is, here we are doing the cross product. That is, A cross B is equals to I J K 1 1 1 and 302, because J is 0 here. That is I into 1 into 2 2 minus 0 into 1 0 minus J into 1 into 2 2 minus 3 plus K into 1 into 0 0 3 into minus 3 is equals to 2I minus into minus 1 minus into minus plus J minus 3K. This is the value of A cross B. Now we need to find modulus of A cross B. Modulus of A cross B. This simply is under root of 2 square plus 1 square minus 3 whole square. That is under root of 4 plus 1 plus 9 is equal to 10 10 plus 4 plus 1 5 5 plus 19 9 14 root 14. So the area of the parallelogram is root 14 square meters. If R is a position vector, then find divergence of R. Div R is equal to how much? Here we know R is equals to R bar is equal to xi plus yj plus zk is a position vector. We need to find divergence of R. We have a formula. This div R is equals to del dot R. Div R is equals to del dot R. We know del operator. Del is equals to I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z. That is, del dot R is equals to I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z of xi plus yj plus zk. We know that I cross I is 1. I dot I is 1, j dot j is 1, k dot k is 1, and I cross j is equals to 0, j cross k is equals to 0, and k cross I is equals to 0. So now doing the multiplication dot product, we get dou x by dou x plus dou y by dou y plus dou z by dou z, that is equals to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 3. Therefore divergence of a position vector is 3. It is a direct question, and these kind of questions are very important in the examination point of view. You can find curl of a position vector also. You get 0, and you can find curl of reciprocal of a position vector, divergence of reciprocal of a position vector, that is div of 1 by r, or curl of 1 by r. These kind of questions are also asked in the examination. Once you can solve these questions and can remember these values, because these are fixed identities. So here are some of the practice bits. You can do it and post the answers in the comment section, and if you don't get answers, I will tell you in the next video. So coming to the first question, here I am giving some of the hints so you can easily do it. Coming to the first question, if u bar plus v bar plus w bar is equal to 0, and modulus of u is equal to 3, modulus of v is equal to 5, and modulus of w is equal to 7, then the angle of u comma v. So here you can apply the resultant of two vectors formula, that is, so you can take the u plus v one side and minus w on the other side, u plus v, and apply the resultant of these two vectors, that is under root of modulus of u bar square plus modulus of v bar square plus 2u bar 2v bar cos theta. So here we have the angle cos theta, so some other side will get modulus of w whole square. Okay, you can solve this and you will get. And if r is the position vector, then curl of r. Here r is the position vector, that is xi plus yj plus zk. Apply curl to it, do the cross product, you will get the answer. You will get it as 0. And the third question is, if r is xi plus yj plus zk, then del operator of del dot r dot r whole dot product r. So you can find the inner bracket, that is del dot r, you will get as 3, then apply to the each term. Next, fourth one, show that f is equal to x cube yi minus x square y square j minus x square yj k is a solenoidal vector or rotational field. If a vector is called solenoid vector, or it is a rotational field, if divergence is 0, divergence of the vector f is equals to 0. So here you have to find the divergence of the given f. Then if it is equal to 0, it is a solenoidal vector, or it is also in a rotational field. Okay, thank you. A vector is called solenoid vector, or it is a rotational field if divergence is 0. Divergence of the vector f is equals to 0. So here you have to find the divergence of the given f. Then if it is equal to 0, it is a solenoidal vector, or it is also in a rotational field.